Hello friends, welcome to our channel Knowledge Amplifier, and in this particular video I am going to show you one very interesting problem related to concept of image processing, whatever I have discussed till now in my previous videos. So you are suppose provided this particular image and you are asked to give one output image which will contain only those binary objects which are having one or more than one holes. Okay. So suppose consider this particular image. Here this particular binary object, this binary object, this object, this object and this object and this one having holes, and rest all are compact. So only this red color marked objects should be given at the output of your binary image. Okay, now pause my video and try to think about one algorithm which can be used to solve this particular problem. Implement that in MATLAB, check whether it is giving correct output or not. If it is not giving correct output, no need to worry, here I am explaining. So let us understand the algorithm step by step. So first of all, what we will do, we will first detect the holes, okay, and that method I have already discussed how you can detect the holes. That is, idea is very simple. Use IMFill to fill all the holes and then subtract the original image from the filled image, and as a result you will be getting only the holes. Okay, so if I just extract all the holes, I will be getting this kind of image, right? And now I will be getting our filled image which is required for extracting the holes, right? Because we subtract our original image from the whole filled image, right? So that whole filled image will apply labeling on that, okay, and we'll be getting this one. So this is whole are filled as well as these are labeled, okay. So for this object one label, for this object one label, there is for different binary object there are distinct labels, okay. Now what we can do, for these holes there is no label, only holes are highlighted as white object, those are basically 1 and rest parts are 0. Now to get only those labels for which the holes are appearing, will multiply element by element these two image, okay. And as a result, if you perform element by element multiplication, you will be getting one binary image which will look like this only, but these particular objects will be having labels. Try to understand why. Because these holes which are basically highlighted as white object have no label, but this particular whole filled binary image have labels, as I have told you. Now when you multiply these two, so element by due to element by element multiplication, wherever these spots are appearing, their only output will be having binary object, rest all part will become background, and those spots will become labeled, okay, because this image is our labeled and this is 1, so label will be remaining intact. So as a result, we will be getting such image for which labels are present, and only those labels for which in the binary object there is presence of hole, right? Now what we can do, we will try to find out distinct non-zero unique labels, okay, and that labels we will, if we again traverse in this image, labeled image, and we will try to find out those labels which are basically distinct, unique and non-zero after multiplication, those will be giving us those objects which is having holes, right? So as a result, we will be getting this kind of object. Now the problem is that here holes are filled because here we are applying on filled image. Now to get back the original image, what we can do, we can multiply this one with our original image, and as a result we will be getting this one, right? As simple as that. So let me go to MATLAB and show you the coding part. Okay, so CLC clear causal warning of x equal to RGB to gray, IM read CC JPG, y equal to IM binarize x, RC TC equal to size of x, figure IM show y. As simple as that, I am calculating the size and reading the image. So if I show you, this is our image which we have taken. Then first of all, we will be calculating the what holes part, right? So field equal to IMFill y comma holes. I am filling all the holes and I am labeling that also for later use purpose, okay. And figure IM show field, I am not using my labeled image. So if I run this particular part, you will be getting our image which is basically not labeled but all the holes are filled. Now holes equal to filled minus original image, you know, right? If you fill all the holes and then subtract the original image from filled image, you will be getting the holes. So I am so holes. So here we will be getting the holes. Now what we will do, we will multiply our labeled image with the holes to get the label corresponding to those binary objects only which is having holes. So m equal to l dot star holes, I am show m. Okay, so now if I just run and show you, you will be getting same image like kind of holes previously we have got, but these are labeled. Okay, so what we can do, I can show you just simple im pixel info. I can show you the difference in between these two. So here if I run this code, see now I am taking my cursor on any object. See, you are getting 9 here, then here you are getting 13, then you are getting 13, right? Then here you are getting 0, here 11, like that, different values we are getting. All right, now what we will do, we will be basically finding those only which are, let me just remove the im pixel info, I will be finding those only which are basically non-zero labels, okay, and unique. Okay, all right, and then we are creating one output empty image, and then we are basically finding out those labels, and we are checking in our labeled image which are satisfying those particular label condition, and we are adding in our output image. That's all. And figure im show output. So if I run this particular part of the code, you will be getting this one, okay, which are filled objects which are having holes. Now to get those which are basically having hole, okay, that is original, you can just multiply or perform AND operation with your original image. So if I run, I will be getting those objects only which are having these holes, right? So I hope you have understood this simple algorithm. Okay, same code will be posted in the description box. If you want, you can check there. Thank you for watching.